there, Karen here from Lacoste. I decorate the trees here, and over the years I've really learned that flowers are your best friend. If you feel like your tree's missing something when you're all done, maybe it's the sparkle of a flower, and then if you bring it in with some added items, foliage, I'm sure it's not green, but it's natural. A tree is natural, foliage is natural, even if it's gold or silver. And then you want to bring in some berries, something with a little bit of structure to add to your flower. And they're really very easy to do. It's a poinsettia, by the way, not just a flower. First of all, when you're picking your colors, if you have things you're matching at home and you're thinking of gold, bring your item with you. Gold can really have several different tones. We've already experienced sort of 3 different shadings here. They're pretty close, but some have a green background, some have more of a black background. So bring your gold with you to pick out your ribbon and your foliage and your berries to make sure they work in your tree at home. With this one, I was trying to decide between having gold and gold on red, very classic, or throwing in the green, which is super classic. And I think I'll just throw in the green for today because I like to have a lot of color when I'm doing my trees. Now, it's as simple as this. You bend your flower a little bit forward so that it will be coming forward out of the tree. Line up your items you've picked at the bend. Make sure that ahead of time you have fluffed them out to their fullest potential, otherwise they'll be laying all flat, especially if you've stored them. You can either add some floral wire here, or the easiest thing to do is just twist your stems around from the front. It looks just like this, beautiful. And then you just place it into your tree on any angle you would like. And it's really that easy. You're a professional, I know it. Thanks so much.